Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in beautiful Fort Myers, and I'm on board a 2017 560 Galeon Sky. This is a beautiful boat. The owner is moving up to a new boat. It is absolutely loaded with all kinds of gear. 560 Sky actually closes up when you're not using this area, as opposed to a regular fly like the one next to us here. So as we head downstairs, you're going to notice this beautiful teak flooring, teak steps. Down here in the cockpit, we've got big seating area for adults. Table folds out, so you got plenty of serving area here, or comes back to make it more of a cocktail table. Also, as you walk through, you see how this area all opens up and makes a nice big entertaining area coming right off of the galley, which is aft in this boat. In addition to that, we've got a refrigerator here for drinks and beverages for the back, as well as an ice maker here. Great storage all over this boat. In the galley, you're going to notice the microwave oven, stovetop, and an upright freezer refrigerator. And one thing nice on these drawers, these are self-closing drawers. As we walk up into the salon area, got a great big screen TV, so if we're sitting here lounging in the salon area, you've got the TV with the Bose surround sound. When not in use, that lowers down so that you don't have it in the way. Also, these seats slide over here so that you can have extra seating around this dining table here. And how about this beautiful sunroof where this opens up, so running you can enjoy all the sunlight in the day. Also, the windows on the side go down, and all you have to do, just push the button and she'll automatically close up on you. So we walk down the stairs. This boat is a 3-stateroom boat. Got a nice double bed set up over on the starboard side. Then as you come into this into this stateroom, big walk around bed. Notice the headroom that's in here. Also have a TV on the back wall. Go through the Jack and Jill door. Got a nice big head with a full shower. It's also a rain shower, so that you got plenty of room in here. And then as we exit here, so for day use, you've got the head where you can keep that stateroom private. We go into the private stateroom. On the way in, I want to show you that we have a washer dryer. Full walk around bed. Plenty of headroom in here as well. Also got a nice settee here that can be used for a morning coffee, or it does have a vanity here as well. Once again, we've got a great head setup with a vanity here with the sink, as well as the big shower, once again with the rain shower capabilities. A couple of other things on the Galeon. This has been a great boat for us, kind of hard to get, so this is one of the first ones in a pre-owned sense. Also, this boat is not only equipped with the joystick, but it also has the Yacht Controller. With this Yacht Controller, you can virtually drive the boat on the bow, the stern. If you're pulling through a lock or pulling into a dock, you can operate the boat almost any place on board. As we head aft, two other things just show you real quick. This boat has captain's quarters back here underneath the back. The nice thing with the captain's quarters on this boat is that it gives you another head back here that you can use while you're swimming, playing, and enjoying the water. Give me a call, Franklin Pillsbury, MarineMax, Fort Myers. This 560 Sky Galeon is not going to last very long. Look forward to getting you in it.